Hello students, this is part 2 of force and pressure. Unbalanced force. Pair of force acting in opposite direction which can change both state of rest, motion and shape and size. Let 2 Newton and 5 Newton are four acting in opposite direction. The value of resultant force F2 minus F1 is equal to F acting in opposite direction. If the force is applied in the same direction, then the resultant force will be added. Contact types of force. Types of forces. Number 1, contact force. Force. Non-contact force. First we discuss the contact force. Contact force. A force is known as contact force. A force is known as contact force when two interacting body are in direct physical contact with each other. Example: muscular force, frictional force, air resistance force. Muscular force applied by the body of the muscles and the object, like pulling a cart. Force is applied by our hand and the cart. Frictional force, walking on the ground. It is an opposing force that opposes the relative motion between two surfaces, like our foot and the ground. Air resistance force acting in force due to the motion. It is like parachute travel in air which opposes the motion. Non-contact force. A force is known as non-contact force when two interacting body are without physical contact with each other, without physical contact with each other. Example: gravitational force force, magnetic force, electrostatic force, First we discuss the non-contact force like gravitational force acting, force in which every object attract each other towards its center. That is the force acting between the ground and an apple. Magnetic force. It is the force between poles of the two magnets. Electrostatic force acting between the two charges, like or unlike charges. Now thrust. The force acting perpendicular to any surface is known thrust, or the perpendicular force acting on any surface is called thrust. Now pressure. Thrust acting per unit area. Thrust acting per unit area is called pressure. Thus, pressure is equal to thrust by area. Symbolically, pressure is denoted by P and thrust is a force which is by F and area A. If area is double, the pressure becomes half. If area becomes half, then pressure becomes double. If area increases, the value of pressure decreases. If area decreases, if area decreases, the value of pressure increases. SI unit. SI unit of pressure. P is equal to F by A. The SI unit of force is Newton and area is meter square or N M inverse 2. There are many applications of increasing surface area or decreasing surface area. When area increases, then the surface area increases, the value of pressure decreases. Applications. Number 1, rear wheels of buses. Rear wheels of buses and truck are usually double wheel. Number 2, high-rise building and dams have wide base. Tanks and bulldozer are fitted with caterpillar tracks rather than wheels. Fourth, railway tracks. Railway tracks are laid on large size wooden or iron sleeper. Decrease in surface area. When surface area decreases. Number 1. Knife. And blade have sharp edge. To cut things easily. things easily. Second, nails and pins have pointed end. Nails and pins have pointed ends. And so that they can drive in into surface with minimum efforts. Liquid and gases, which is known as fluid, also exert pressure